I think they very much continue to play the same role they always have. If we start with gold, it has, again, those sort of unique qualities or unique characteristics in terms of market size and liquidity and credit risk. It tends to perform very well in periods of higher inflation or low real interest rates, which we're likely to be stuck in for many years to come. It tends to perform very well when equity markets are under duress and are pulling back. And it offers strong long-term growth over a full market cycle. If we then look at silver, it's more volatile, but it also has this fantastic industrial story, supporting its the rise in demand for silver overall. So particularly if you're in any way optimistic around some of the tech investments and things that we see dominating market headlines today, that's a silver story as well. So I think gold and silver continue to do what they've done for the last 25 years. They provide long-term portfolio growth, and they provide a very unique form of portfolio protection in a period where those attributes are more important than ever. Yeah, that's a great question, and over the last financial year, there's been quite a few. So I would say number one has been enhancements or additions to our product range. So if I look at the silver space, we've launched the Eureka Minted range, and then our signature Southern Cross high relief 4/9 silver products, available in 5 ounce, 10 ounce, half kilo and kilo. And those are proving incredibly popular so far. We're also expanding our range of minted gold products as well. In the sort of more digital and online space, we've also made some recent enhancements to our Gold Saver program, which has now turned 10 years old. So those enhancements include the addition of platinum, so clients can now save in either a gold, silver, platinum, or a combination of all three. Still accessible from as little as $50 a month, still available for people to save either weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. So, none of the flexibility has been sacrificed, but the addition of platinum has been very nice. It's also worth noting that about a year ago now, we launched our ABC Bullion Gold Decumulation Plan at our investor event at the Ivy in Sydney. With our new website, we've now made that product fully available online, so people can make initial investments or top-ups into the Gold Decumulation Plan. They can set their monthly cash flows, they can edit or amend those. So, bringing real flexibility to that product, as well as obviously the ability to monitor portfolio values. So those are some of the things we've done to enhance our product range, but also services as well. So we've reduced our storage fees for clients storing ABC cast bars and minted products and ABC coins with ABC Bullion. We've also reduced the delivery fees for orders under $8,000 to a flat $30, no matter where we're sending that in Australia. And we've extended collection times as well. So clients that buy through the ABC Bullion website or over the phone now have up to 30 days to come and collect their item from any ABC Bullion showroom nationwide, including our global flagship here in Martin Place. So for many years, we've been writing a weekly market update that we send out to all the clients that are interested in that. And we also provide that free on our website. We'll be continuing to do that. We've also made some enhancements to our monthly market update. That was a report that we started issuing just over a year ago, and coinciding with the launch of our new website, we've given that a nice new look and feel, and also added in some extra data points and facts around what's happening in the gold and silver market that will be of interest for investors. Also released some new product guides and information brochures for gold, for silver, for platinum, for first-time buyers, for self-managed super funds, which is a big part of the bullion market in Australia now. And also something that I'm particularly passionate about is some extra and new education around investing for kids. So, I think that in the current market environment, there are so many people wanting to try and put a little bit of money away to help give their kids a head start in life, and gold and silver can really help in that regard. So we're quite passionate about that. So yeah, those are all the things that we're doing on the educational front to champion the cause of gold and silver as investments for really any Australian, from a first-time buyer to a mum and dad saving for their children to SMSF trustees, you name it. There are quite a few actually. So the first one I'd say is ease of access. So clients can now log in just using an email and a password. They no longer need to remember their client codes. And also they can have a consolidated view or access to all of their accounts through that one login. So if you have an individual account, maybe a joint account with your partner, an account in trust for one of the kids and your SMSF, you can access and easily toggle between those accounts all through one login. So that ease of access perspective is really important, and some of the feedback we're already getting from our clients is just how much they appreciate that feature. Second thing is to do with some of the product enhancements. So Gold Saver, we've added Platinum to that offering now, so people can save in gold, in silver, or in platinum. The other important point around that is settlement when people are looking to sell. So people now can just simply click a button to have money paid to their nominated and registered bank account that they have with ABC Bullion. So there's no more requirement for paper forms or emails or anything like that. And so that speeds up the time or reduces the amount of time that it'll take for money to get back into their bank account. So typically either same day or within 1 day settlement now. We've put our gold accumulation plan fully online now, so people can make their initial investments, they can make top-ups, they can make sales. They can also set up their designated monthly cash flows for that product, all through the online portal now. So those are some of the key enhancements, and probably the last one, which is particularly relevant for the tens of thousands of clients that use our pooled holdings and use our Gold Saver, is the ability to bar their holdings online now. So one of the great attributes of those products has been clients can move from the pool or move from the Gold Saver into a physical item, a cast bar, a minted tablet, a silver coin. They can do that entirely self-serve digitally now, and that just expedites and speeds up the process for them. And particularly if I think around Gold Saver, a lot of people use that product for their kids, but then around birthday time or around Christmas time, like to then actually give them a physical product as a gift. And so the fact that they can self-serve digitally now is a really great enhancement. There's more to come as well. We're going to be launching price alerts and some other new features through the website. So I hope our clients are both enjoying the new experience, but it's also a watch this space for the new features to come.